Are you a clothing site owner or a photographer? Then you understand the importance of presenting your clothes in the best possible way to your customers. Traditionally, this meant hiring models for photo shoots. But now you can achieve the same effect for free with an attractive AI model, whether it's a girl or a boy. Let's explore how you can make this happen. Begin by taking a photo of yourself wearing the clothing or on a mannequin. Next, head to the CRT website and find the SwiftEye section. Click on AI model fitting to proceed. Now upload your photo. For this demonstration, I'm utilizing sample photos from a website. Alright, you can now choose the model you want to feature in your final photo, as well as select a background if desired. After making your selections, simply click Generate to view your final result. Absolutely, it's a more streamlined and concise version. Ready to experiment with another image featuring a different model? Great. Let's proceed with generating an image with a customized background. We'll select a new model and then choose a background to see the final result. Alright friends, that wraps up this video. I hope you've learned something new today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.